If you don't have a dash cam, you need to get one. You never know what kind of bizarre things are going to happen while you're out driving around. Check this out.
The heck?
Now that all happened so fast. If you look here, you can see a guy out the rear window and he's running. He drops his backpack and then just runs across these lanes of traffic. He's wanting to get to that vehicle, that black vehicle right there. At the time, I didn't know if this was a carjacking, if this was a friend, what this guy's issue was. He tries to open the driver's door, which is locked. He tries to open the rear door that has a passenger in it, and that person pulls that door shut. He's unsuccessful getting in the vehicle, and as you see here, he's walking away, despondent. He seems pretty upset. But who knows what that situation was. It was enough for him to drop his bag. So if we look at it one more time, the car that he actually starts chasing after is behind the SUV directly behind me. Here he is running, and the black car makes its way around that SUV, and they're obviously trying to get away from him, probably freaking out that he's running up on them. And here he comes again, trying to open the front door, back door. They keep the back door shut, and he obviously gives up. Whatever it was important enough for him to leave his bag behind. So he was probably mad at whoever's in that car. Don't know if this was a domestic thing or a theft or who knows what. But here he goes walking back to pick up his backpack and walk off into the sunset. And that's it for this one. We may never know. Well, we will never know what happened. Unless he sees the video and wants to send me an email explaining it. That'd be nice.